Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use the moringa for so many things that will benefit you. So please kindly ensure that you watch the video to the end. So in this video, we are just coming to talk about how you can use the moringa for retentive memory, how you can use it for beautiful skin, or if you have a lot of skin problems, how you can use it to solve it, and a whole lot of things. So please, let's begin with how you can use it to perform very well in bed. Because moringa is very good for blood circulation. You know that as a man, your machine is always working with veins and arteries. By machine, I hope you understand what I mean. It works with your arteries and veins, and then it is working by what? The blood. So when you have a very good blood circulation, it means that you are going to perform very well in bed. So if you are a man, you are just going to be taking the moringa tea. Then this is how you are going to take it. Just add 1 tablespoon of the moringa powder to a cup of warm water, and then you stir very well. After stirring, you can add just a teaspoon of pure honey to it, and then you drink. If you don't get the pure honey too, you can drink it like that. You are just going to do this twice daily for about 2 weeks, and then even if you are a man with very weak erection, you see that you start having a very good and strong erection. And then it is very good for men with low testosterone levels. So please kindly ensure that you do this particular remedy if you are a man and then you want to perform very well in bed. And then also, if you are having high sugar level and then you want to control the sugar level, all that you are supposed to do is that you just also take 1 tablespoon of the moringa powder to a cup of warm water, you stir, then you drink twice daily after food, and then it is going to help you to control that sugar level. So for you to just get the moringa powder, all that you are supposed to do is that you just get enough of the moringa leaves, you dry it very well. After drying, all that you are supposed to do is that you now make it into powder, and then you start using it. So you just have to keep it inside an airtight container after making the powder, and then you'll be using. If you cannot also be using the powder, you can also just add some few of the leaves, like maybe a tablespoon of the leaves into a cup of water, a cup of warm water. You cover it and then you allow it to steep. So after steeping, you now sieve the water, you add little honey to it, and then you drink as your morning and evening tea, and then it is going to give you the benefits that I'm coming to mention in this video. So if you are such that you want to detoxify your liver, all that you are supposed to do is that you also take the moringa tea. So that one, you take it morning and evening. If you can get the powder, you just add 1 tablespoon of it to warm water, and then you stir very well, and then you drink twice daily after food, and then it is going to help you a lot. And then also, if you are having very bad skin, if your skin is not nice, if there are a lot of skin problems, if you have a lot of rashes and those stuff on your body, and then you want your skin to look very nice, please, this is not for bleaching or changing your skin color. It is just going to make your skin to be very natural and beautiful. So all that you are supposed to do is that you just get some of the moringa leaves, you pound it very well with any soap that you desire, and then you'll be using it for bathing, and then you see that your skin will be very nice. So the other thing you can do with the moringa is that if you are also having heart problems, you can be taking the moringa tea. So it's the same process as I've said earlier. You just add some of the moringa leaves or the moringa powder to warm water, and then you drink twice daily after food. That is going to help you a lot. And then also, if you're having high blood pressure, please kindly ensure that you'll be drinking the moringa tea. But please, that one, you are not going to add any sugar or any honey or anything. But please, if you are going to add anything to moringa tea, kindly ensure that it is honey. Don't go and add sugar or milk to it and then drink it, and then you are going to get the benefits. And then also, if you are having stomach ulcer, kindly ensure that you take the moringa tea with a little honey. You are going to take it first thing in the morning and then last thing at night, and then it is going to help you a lot. And then also, if you are having bad eyes, if you are such that your eyesight is not good, kindly ensure that you be taking the moringa tea twice daily after food, and then you are going to bring a very big testimony, because it is going to clear your eyes for you to have a very good eyesight. And then also, the moringa tea is for those people with weak immune system. So if you are having weak immune system such that you are always easily catching cold and stuff, kindly ensure that you also be taking the moringa tea. You just be adding some of the moringa leaves or the moringa powder to a cup of warm water. Then you drink it warm with honey twice daily after food, and it is going to help you. And then also, if you are such that you always have poor digestion or you always have constipation, kindly ensure that you take the moringa tea every evening before you sleep, and it is going to help you. If you're also thinking of controlling your weight, like if you are too fat or too small and then you want to have a very normal weight, kindly ensure that you be taking the moringa tea, and then it is going to control your weight for you. And then also, if you are having some sort of anxiety and depression all the time, you see that you are having mental fog and stuff, kindly ensure that you be taking the moringa tea, and then it is going to help you. Now let's look at how you can also use it for retentive memory. If you are such that everything you easily forget, all that you are supposed to do is that you are just going to get enough of the moringa leaves, you dry it very well. After drying, you now pound it and then convert it into a powder. And then what you are going to do is that every morning and evening after eating, you are just going to add 1 tablespoon of the powder to a cup of warm water, and then you stir. You are going to add 2 tablespoons of pure honey to it. You stir very well. If you are in Ghana, you can get pure honey from me, so you can call or WhatsApp the number that you see on the screen, and then I'll send you some of the pure honey, and then you'll be using it for this particular remedy. If you cannot also get the pure honey from me directly, you can also order some from Amazon with the link in the description. So if you also have any question concerning anything that I've mentioned, you can also WhatsApp me or you can comment under the comment section. But please, it is very preferable that you ask under the comment section so that no other person will also come and ask me the same question privately again. So please kindly ensure that if you have any question, kindly ensure that you put it inside the comment section for me to come and reply you. I always ensure that I reply every comment. So please, if for the retentive memory, if you cannot use the retentive memory powder or you cannot prepare the powder, you can also get enough of the moringa bark, the tree bark. You get enough of it, you cut it into pieces, you dry it, and then you now put it inside a bottle of pure honey, and then you cover it. So after 7 days, you now be licking some of the honey twice daily. So every morning you take 2 tablespoons of the honey that is mixed with the moringa tree bark, and then every evening too you do the same thing. So if you have a child who is in school, you can do this for the child to send to the school, and then the child will be licking it. Then whatever is taught in the school, you see that your child will remember it. If you cannot also use the bark, you can also use the powder. If you can get the powder directly and then you are sure that it is not mixed with any other thing, you can also be using that one. You can also mix it with the honey. You allow some 3 days and then you start licking it. So you lick 2 tablespoons twice daily after food, and then it is going to help you to get a very sharp memory. So these are some of the things you can do with the moringa powder. If you are also having cancer or you want to prevent cancer, you can be taking the moringa tea, and then it is going to help you to prevent the cancer. So please kindly ensure that you be using the moringa for all these things that I've mentioned. So these are some of the things that you can do with the moringa. If you also have any particular remedy that you need, you can comment it in the comment section, and then I'll come and reply you. So thank you very much for watching this video.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.